In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that frustrating username not found error on the Telegram app. By the end of this video, you'll know several reliable tricks to get past this problem, whether you're searching for a friend, joining a group, or just trying to connect with someone on Telegram. Let's get right into it so you can get back to chatting without any interruptions. First things first, double-check the username you're entering. This might sound basic, but it's surprising how often a tiny typo or missing character sneaks in. Telegram usernames always start with the @ symbol, followed by the person's unique handle, like @Jondo. Make sure you have that little @ right at the beginning, and that there are no spaces, special characters, or spelling errors. If you're copying and pasting the username, sometimes invisible spaces get added, so consider typing it by hand just to be sure. If it still isn't working, confirm with the person you're trying to reach that you have their current, exact username. Sometimes usernames change, or maybe you've got an old one saved. Next, check your internet connection. Sometimes, connection issues can prevent Telegram from accessing the latest search results or syncing usernames, making it seem like the username doesn't exist. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference, or open up a web page to confirm your connection is stable. If things seem slow or patchy, give your connection a quick refresh, wait a few seconds, reconnect, and try searching the username again. A solid internet connection is key for Telegram to work smoothly, and a little patience here can save a lot of confusion. If you're connected properly and still seeing the error, restarting the Telegram app is a smart next step. Just close the app completely, don't just minimize it and relaunch it. Sometimes, apps encounter small glitches in daily use that a simple restart can clear up. Think of it as giving Telegram a quick nap and a fresh start. If restarting doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to try is clearing the app's cache and data. This might sound a bit techy, but it's actually pretty straightforward and can resolve all sorts of mysterious hiccups. On your phone, go to your device's settings, scroll down to Apps, find Telegram in the list, and head into the storage section. There you'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Start with Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that sometimes get cluttered or corrupted and interfere with the app's functions. If that doesn't do the trick, use Clear Data. Just keep in mind this will log you out of Telegram, so make sure you know your login details before you confirm. Give the app another try now. Sometimes clearing things up behind the scenes is all it takes. Still no luck? Let's try one more thing. Reinstall the Telegram app altogether or switch to a different device if you have one handy. Uninstalling and reinstalling gives you the latest, cleanest version of the app, free from any glitches or corrupted files that might be causing trouble. Or, if you have a tablet or a second phone, try logging in there and searching for the username. If it suddenly works on another device, you'll know the problem is local to your main phone or tablet. There you have it. With these steps, you should be able to chase away that annoying username not found error on Telegram. If you run into any snags, take your time and go through each step. Sometimes it's the smallest detail that makes the biggest difference. If this video helped, please tap the like button, and if you have any more questions about Telegram or run into any other app issues, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and good luck messaging.